Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. Let's talk about this Claude 3.5 Sonnet that beats GPT4o. So Anthropic, OpenAI's biggest rival, has launched its latest AI model called the Claude 3.5 Sonnet, the company's first release in the upcoming Claude 3.5 AI model series. Anthropic has claimed that its latest offering outperforms its peers such as OpenAI's GPT4o, Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro, Meta's Llama 400B, and even the company's proprietary models Claude 3, Haiku, and Claude 3 Opus. So we have a statement and it reads, Claude 3.5 Sonnet operates at twice the speed of Claude 3 Opus. This performance boost combined with cost-effective pricing makes Claude 3.5 Sonnet ideal for complex tasks such as context-sensitive customer support and orchestrating multi-step workflows. That's what Anthropic said. So what is Claude 3.5 Sonnet? Claude 3.5 Sonnet is a large language model and is part of the family of LLMs, which is being developed by Anthropic. These models are known, as generative pre-trained transformers, which means they have been pre-trained to predict the next word in large amounts of text. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is the predecessor to the Claude 3 Sonnet introduced in March of this year. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button right now. Hit that subscribe button right now. So Claude 3.5 Sonnet is likely to be the middle model based on parameter size in the upcoming series of AI models by Anthropic. The smallest and biggest models are yet to be released. Anthropic has said that Claude 3.5 Sonnet outperforms Claude 3 Opus by a huge margin. The new model is claimed to be twice as fast as the Claude 3 Sonnet. So how does the Claude 3.5 Sonnet perform? So according to Anthropic, Claude 3.5 Sonnet sets some new industry benchmarks and capabilities such as coding proficiency, you have the human eval, the graduate level reasoning, the GPQA, and the undergraduate level knowledge, the MMLU. So the company claims that the new model has also shown significant improvement in grasping nuance, humor, and complex instructions. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is exceptional at writing high-quality content with a natural and relatable tone, according to Anthropic. Based on the benchmark scores shared by Anthropic on its official website, Claude 3.5 Sonnet seems outstanding. It has outdone GPT4o, Gemini 1.5 Pro, Meta's Llama 400B in 7 out of 8 overall benchmarks. However, benchmark scores should not be taken too seriously. Many AI startups have been accused of cherry-picking scores under categories that make them look good. We all know that. So that's what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe and see you on the next video.